NVIDIA just released earnings, and as you know, we were bullish on the stock heading into the report and into the call. The monthly BX trender was showing buying pressure. Price was bouncing off of our support bias indicator, and we were anticipating a potential move in the next couple of months up to $210 to $220. And so far, the numbers that I am seeing, we have not gotten the actual conference call yet, are really, really good. EPS came in at $1.62 adjusted versus $1.53. So that's solid. Revenue came in at $68.13 billion versus $66.2 billion. Very, very good. Revenue in total climbed 73% from $39.3 billion earlier. The company now gets over 91% of its sales from data centers. So for instance, like gaming used to be a pretty substantial part of the revenue for this company a decade ago. Now gaming is all the way down to like 7%, and over 91 comes from data centers and data center units, which is absolutely insane. Looking at data centers, that came in at $62.3 billion for the quarter, which is ahead of expectations of $60.69. Net income, which, revenue is great, but if you're not keeping the money, if you don't have those good margins, none of it matters. Net income almost doubled to $43 billion or $1.76 per share from $22 billion just 1 year ago, which is absolutely insane. Revenue for the first fiscal quarter, so this is guidance, is expected to be $78 million plus or minus 2%, and analysts were expecting $72.6 billion, right? So not only do we have great numbers, not only do we have great net operating income, we also have pretty damn good, future guidance, which is exactly what we want to see. NVIDIA did say it's not assuming data center revenue from China in its current forecast, which is good. Now we have the actual conference call coming up in probably about an hour from now. I'm making this video. It's about 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time currently, and after hours, the NVIDIA is currently up about 2.5%. So not a 10+% move, but still pretty damn solid. What happens in the earnings call? We have no idea, right? Usually Jensen is pretty bullish. He does a really good job like laying out the bull case. But we'll see what ends up happening, right? I wouldn't be surprised if price does sell off, but at this point, I do think, because anything can happen, but I do think price is probably going to continue to climb higher into tomorrow's session and into the rest of this week. To give anybody who is new to my content a quick update, we have been bullish on NVIDIA for the past couple of months, and we were expecting a potential bounce here. Both our short-term and our long-term models are currently positioned bullish. The long-term model entered back here in June of 2025, and the long-term model was expecting a bounce off of this support and a move up to $220 by most likely end of March into April. And I still agree with that. And I still think that that's probably going to happen. In the worst case scenario event that like price ends up selling off tomorrow in the rest of this week, which anything can happen, if this monthly BX ends up closing red, which is what it's showing right now, then I will remove my bullish thesis and I will move on. But so far things are looking really good. We're going to see what ends up happening with the call. Keep you guys posted once that is reported, and let me know down in the comments what you guys think and any other stocks you want me to cover.